If you're a creator and you're looking to find out all the ways that you can make money on social media, I'm the monetization queen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. Facebook is the most slept on app. I keep saying that because I don't think people are listening to me. I don't think you guys are listening, but that's perfectly fine. I'll just use it to my benefit. Facebook. So the first program that we're going to talk about on Facebook, which is the program that everybody's getting invited to right now, which is going to be Facebook performance bonuses. So you guys know Facebook no longer has its Reels bonuses program anymore, but they now have this performance bonus program, and the max is like Reels bonuses is $30,000. That is the max. For this program, you have the chance to earn up to $30,000 from comments, shares, views, and reactions on your Facebook posts. Keyword post. It does not say Facebook Reels. This is post. So it's all over posts, which is absolutely amazing. If you ask me, this program is better than the Reels bonus program because you're able to use this feature on literally every way you can post. Pictures, Reels, regular text, like it's absolutely amazing. So that's the first monetization feature on Facebook. So the next program we have is going to be Facebook ads on Reels. So you're going to get ads on your Facebook Reels videos. I don't know why Instagram don't have these features. Like, aren't they owned by the same person? So for the Facebook ads on Reels, Meta pays you based on your total plays on eligible Reels. That means not all your videos are going to qualify. The program has no cap, so you can make as much as you want to make. I mean, as much as you can. So the third Facebook program we have is going to be Facebook Stars. So Facebook Stars is where your viewers can send you gifts. So you're getting paid by your followers. That's what stars are. And then we also have Facebook subscriptions, which is going to be a community monthly subscription based feature. So these are for people who already have established communities and already established platforms and followers. Like, you guys can have your own community where they pay you a monthly subscription, and maybe you're doing Q&As, you're doing Get Ready With Me. It's like a family. Next app we're jumping into is going to be Instagram, which is not really much going on Instagram. Instagram is like, Okay, so Instagram has in-stream ads, which are going to be ads that play on your video before or after your video. It's kind of like YouTube ads. Then Instagram has Instagram gifts, which is literally like Facebook Stars, where your followers are able to send you money and reward you on your videos. Instagram also has subscriptions, which is the same thing, just like Facebook subscriptions. So I don't know why Instagram does not have a feature to pay like performance bonuses. I feel like they should definitely move that over to Instagram, since people really swear by Instagram. Instagram is like seen as the superior app. So they should definitely move that feature over to Instagram. The next platform we're moving to is going to be TikTok. TikTok Post is a revenue sharing model from TikTok where they add in-stream ads to your viral videos. So you're only going to get this feature if you are a larger creator and if you get a viral video. So they literally take your viral videos and they put ads on it, just like how YouTube and Facebook and Instagram has the in-stream ads. They do the same thing on TikTok. And this feature is actually one of my favorites because I tend to get a viral video pretty much like once a month, sometimes more than that. But once I get that viral video, that video is going to make me like $500, $600. So the second monetization feature that TikTok has is going to be their new beta program. So this is TikTok's creativity beta program. This program allows you to monetize longer videos on TikTok. To be specific, the videos have to be 1 minute or over. And you guys, I'm not reading from their website. I'm reading from my notes. I literally wrote everything down, so I'm not missing everything. So I've heard a lot of good things about the TikTok beta program, but for me, this program isn't really working because I do produce short form content. So the 1 minute videos I'm not really on that yet, but I need to experiment with it more because I've heard a lot of good things about this program. TikTok also has TikTok series. So TikTok series is like a person like me who sells courses or any type of series of videos. They have that option for you to do that on TikTok, and it's literally linked on your profile. You can sell your series and make the money right away. TikTok also has a TikTok work with artists. This is where you get paid for using a upcoming artist's music. It's like their songs. You're awarded money for posting videos, and your videos get a certain amount of views, then you make a certain amount of money. And we also have TikTok video gifts. So TikTok video gifts are kind of trending right now, especially because of the NPC live videos, AI videos, where you can, I was actually doing it, but it's way too time consuming for me. I have a very busy schedule. So it's where you go on TikTok live, and when a person sends you a gift, you have to react according to the gift. So if you get a rose, you say, oh, a rose smells amazing, like stuff like that. I was doing it. A lot of people, well, the original person that started doing this video, they are said to be making anywhere from $7,000 per live video. So if you guys are interested in that, you can definitely do that. Or if you are just a regular person and you want to go live, you can get paid from people sending you gifts on TikTok. So TikTok also has a creator marketplace where you're able to go in on your TikTok creator dashboard and you can apply to campaigns. These are going to be campaigns with brands. Now let's move on to YouTube, which is going to be the last application because I don't really know about Twitter, and Pinterest does not have any monetization features at the moment, but they do have their Pinterest fund going on right now, but I think it's going to end in like 2 days. So by the time I post this video, it will be done. So YouTube has YouTube in-stream ads, is the most reliable monetization feature if you ask me on social media, because my YouTube checks never miss. Like they always hit the same time. The amount is not the same. It's not supposed to be the same. The amount is going up. So I swear by YouTube, you guys definitely get on YouTube. So YouTube also has YouTube Shorts ads. These like regular video ads, but they're on your short video. YouTube also has memberships, which is pretty much for a community. It's like a subscription based thing for your fans. And then they also have super fans, which are going to be like gifts that people can send you, a one-time gift during a video. So that is all of the monetization features currently. I hope you guys wrote down all of these monetization features so you can work on getting them. Like that's the whole purpose of this video, because the more features you get, the more features you have, the more money you can make. So you want to make sure they're not going to give you any of these features if you're not posting on their platforms. This is why I tell everyone that you should be posting on literally YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You have to be posting on these features because you're not going to get any of these features if you're not using the platforms. 2 + 2 is 4. If you're using more platforms, you get more monetization features. That's why I literally call myself the monetization queen, because if there's a platform and they're paying, I'm on there. Like I'm on there. I don't play. That's going to be it for today's video. These are all of the social media monetization features as of July 2023. Of course, this is going to change, and then I will come back up on here and I will update you guys on new monetization features, because this is literally my sole purpose, is to help you guys make money, is to help you guys generate money from your home. Like I want you guys to be able to experience the type of life that I am experiencing, like having fun, being a content creator, doing what I love, like working from home. It's amazing, and I'm just here to help you guys be able to do the same thing. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Again, these videos are absolutely free. Like I keep telling you guys, I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to put you guys on. So subscribe. These videos are free. Tell a friend, tell a family member. We all gonna get it, you guys. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and much love. I'm still kind of sick, you guys. Peace. Oh crap. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.